From the research diary of Dr. Lucy Willing, June 17th, 1937. Dr. Chernikov's death has finally sunk in. I can't believe he's gone. He was like a father to me. It seems like ages since all this started, and that makes sense. Coming to these islands felt like the beginning of a new life. Since then, the Sigma project has become everything to me. And Dr. Chernikov even indicated that he thought I would be able to continue his work after he passed. I hoped that day would never come. He was a kind and brilliant man. Rex never knew him and didn't know what he missed. This seems to have taken a heavy toll on him. He's a guarded man who's had a hard life. Yet I see a lot of his father in him. Any particular reason you wanted me to land at the foot of a volcano?
Velika won't look for us here.
Because we'd have to be crazy to set down in the path of molten lava.
Exactly.
Rex Chance, you will be the death of me. If any of my equipment gets damaged...
Nothing's gonna get damaged, so just you relax. See that? In the distance. More of those flying machines Velika was using. She must manufacture them here. We should be able to procure one from her. I'm gonna go exploring.
Make sure you direct some henchmen to prepare our base in case we get attacked.
We got new objectives. Ready, boss. All right.
There's new research available at the research clinic. How can I help you? Right away.
Rex Chance at your service. I'm on it. Sounds like a plan.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Let's go.
Yes? The building you requested is complete.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
For science.
What's next?
Your building is complete. Right away. A new building is complete. That shouldn't be a problem. How can I help you? Your building is complete. For science. Level 2 research is complete. A new building is complete. That shouldn't be a problem. I'll get on that directly. The building you requested is complete. Yes? Right away.
Ready for action. Sounds like a plan.
Level 3 research is complete.
Our base is under attack. Rex is being attacked.
Rex Chance at your service. No problem. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it. Sounds like a plan. Ready for action. Right.
The critters are under it. Rex is being attacked.
I'm on it. Sounds like a plan. Ready. Right.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it.
The critters are under attack.
How can I help you?
Done researching. The critters are under attack.
For science.
What's next? Right.
Your building is complete.
Hello. You're the boss. No building is up. All right.
Yes? Right away. The building you requested is complete.
They're destroying our buildings.
For science.
Henchmen under attack. The lab is being attacked, boss. The critters are under attack. Lucy's being attacked.
Ready for action.
Our base is under attack.
Rex Chance at your service.
Huh? I've got one of those things after me. The critters are under attack.
Ready. Ready for action. Sounds like a plan.
Henchmen under attack. Rex is being attacked. Lucy's being attacked.
Ready. Let's go. Rex Chance at your service.
The critters are under attack.
Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Rex is being attacked. They're destroying our buildings. The critters are under attack. Huh? I've got one of those things after me.
Ready for action. No problem.
What would you have me do? Right away. That shouldn't be a problem. Level 4 research is complete.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Your building is complete.
The critters are under attack.
Yes? For science.
The critters are under attack.
How can I help you? That shouldn't be a problem.
That research you wanted is done.
Ready. Sounds like a plan.
A new building is complete. Yes, I'll get on that directly. That shouldn't be a problem.
Done researching. The critters are under attack.
The building you requested is complete. How can I help you? I'll get on that directly.
That research you wanted is done.
Right away. That shouldn't be a problem. What would you have me do?
The critters are under attack.
Right away.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. Ready.
A new building is complete.
The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss. The critters are under attack.
Looks like we found the hornet's nest. There must be a landing pad inside the caldera. But that volcano's gonna be a tough nut to crack for sure. It looks like a natural castle. We'll just have to find the weakest point and bust through.
Did you learn tactics like that in journalism school?
Listen, we have to get our hands on one of those gyrocopters. It'll give us a huge strategic advantage.
Watch you don't get stung looking for honey.
The critters are under attack. New objective, boss. The critters are under attack. 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 Done researching.
Level 5 research is complete.
Our base is under attack. Lucy's being attacked.
Yes?
What's next? I'm on it.
That shouldn't be a problem.
Ready for action. Let's go.
The critters are under attack.
Right.
They're destroying our buildings.
The building you requested is complete.
Sounds like a plan.
What would you have me do? Right away.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. No problem.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? I'm on it.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
No problem. Let's go.
Rex is being attacked.
Sounds like a plan.
Objective done. Great work, boss. The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. I'm on it.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Ready. Sounds like a plan.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Ready for action.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Done researching. The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss. I radioed Miss Lepet for help and she wouldn't send any. She's been cruel before, but leaving me to die is the last straw. If you spare me, I'll join you.
We can use all the help we can get, but that bird don't look too good. How long will it take to get it moving?
At least a few minutes, maybe more.
All right, it's a deal. But don't forget whose side you're on now. Capiche?
Boss, if you watch my back long enough to fix this thing, why, I'll fight a war for you if I have to.
It may just come to that.
We got new objectives.
How can I help you? For science.
The critters are under attack. 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 Objective done. Great work, boss.
There's a penalty for being a traitor where I come from. Death. You always were a sore loser, Lepet. Oh, Monsieur Chance, are you still carrying that old baggage? Why don't you pay me a visit? Alone. We'll have much more fun without her.
I'd rather hug a porcupine combined with a wolverine.
No, believe me, Monsieur Chance. It can be arranged. Goodbye.
Huh. Idle threat.
Velika is not really the kind of woman to make idle threats, Rex. Maybe we should prepare for a fight.
We got what we came for, Lucy. Get the generators fired up. Let's move on.
Now, Monsieur Chance, I will show you the wrath of a woman scorned. My lab. This damage will take me forever to fix. I'm really starting to run low on baling wire now.
We're gonna have to take out our base here so we can safely move on.
Geez Louise, you think so? Why couldn't you have figured that out sooner? Darn you, Rex. I told you this would happen.
Nobody likes an I told you so, Lucy.
New objective, boss. Hello. Okay. Hello. The critters are under attack. Our base is under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Ready.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it.
What would you have me do? I'll get on that directly.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Rex is being attacked.
What's next? No problem.
How can I help you?
Rex is being attacked.
That shouldn't be a problem.
Ready.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? Let's go. No problem.
This coal pile is out of coal. They're destroying our buildings. The critters are under attack. Henchmen under attack. Lucy's being attacked. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. Huh? I've got one of those things after me. Lucy's being attacked. Ready, boss. The critters are under attack. All right. Hello. Okay. Our base is under attack.
Yes?
Henchmen under attack.
For science. I'll get on that
Lucy's being attacked.
For science.
The critters are under attack.
What would you have me do? Right away.
Ready, boss.
Ready. Let's go.
Rex is being attacked.
Ready for action.
Huh? I've got one of those things at Lucy's being attacked. The critters are under attack.
Ready. No problem. Let's go.
Hello? All right.
Ready for action. I'm on it.
Hello? You're the boss. The critters are under attack. Henchmen under attack! Ready, boss. Boss? The critters are under attack. All right. one building. Hello. Okay. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Done researching. Ready, boss. You're the boss. The critters are under attack. All right. Hello. Okay. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. This coal pile is all used up. The critters are under attack. Building's done. Ready, boss. The critters are under attack. Ready, boss. You're the boss. Done researching. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Hello. Ready, boss. That research you wanted is done. All right. The critters are under attack. No building is up. critters are under attack. Done researching. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack. 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 Objective done. Great work, boss.
We surrender!
Hey, look, fella. I appreciate the surrender and all, but we got no quarrel with you. Velika Lepet is the one we're after.
She is a bad, bad lady. She's been kidnapping our people. My brother, who lives on a nearby island, hasn't been heard from for months.
Why would Velika want to kidnap villagers?
Whatever the reason, you can be sure she's up to no good.
Right. Listen, buddy. Where exactly is your brother's island?